Hello friends. Classic vinyl records are for many people an unforgettable memory, especially for music lovers. Vintage vinyl combined with a retro background color on a terracotta pot highlight your favorite houseplants with this cute hand-painted pot. The terracotta pot is perfect for making pen stands, houseplants, tabletop pots, makeup cases, flower pots, and more. The terracotta pot is a perfect gift for anyone who grows and loves plants. This terracotta pot is an ideal decoration for a bedroom, indoor garden, kitchen, study, office, desktop, windowsill, balcony, etc. For more information, please visit website emeraldblossoms.com.